In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we are going to learn a quick way on how gradually crop your footage.
Damn.
Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome back to my channel. If you're just meeting, my name is Céline. I'm a TV journalist for over 17 years now, and I am passionate about new technologies. If it's your first time here and you like reviews, tutorials, and sometimes vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Let's get back to our tutorial and see what kind of effect we're dealing with. So let's hop on Adobe Premiere Pro, choose the footage you want to use, choose the first and last frame, and put your video on the timeline. Now create an adjustment layer and add it on your timeline on top of your actual video. Voilà, juste ici. Go to the effect panel right here, and here in the search bar we are going to type crop. C-R-O-P. And you're going to see the crop option under the transform folder. So go ahead and select the crop effect and drag it on top of your adjustment layer. Now that it's done, you'll see the crop option popping up when you'll go on your editing section, the effect control panel. Alors ici, you see the parameters. You have left, top, right, and bottom. And pay attention to this little symbol right here. It's the animation keyframe. We're going to the very beginning of our clip, and you'll push on the animation keyframe next to top. Now you'll see a little blue dot. We are at the very beginning of our video, so let's add 0%. It has added a mark as a reference. Now go a little bit further, like 10 frames later, and now enter 11%. Do the exact same thing with the bottom. So go back to the beginning of your video and choose 0%. Now go up to 10 frames, click on the animation keyframe and enter 11%. Alors, ça donne quoi? And voila, that's how you create this transition effect. Don't hesitate to drop a comment of what else you'd like to see in future tutorials. I hope this video was useful and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button just down below, juste en dessous, and subscribe to my channel. I'm wishing you an awesome week. Take good care of yourself and enjoy life. I will see you next Monday. Salut!